What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do a quick and easy very trendy protective style. It's gonna be flat twist because I want to get this done really quick. I don't want to take too much time, and when I'm ready to take it out, I want to be able to take it out really quick. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this hairstyle, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm deciding whether I want a middle braid, because you know middle braid is like very trendy. So I think I'm going to do a middle braid. So how I do the middle braid is I normally always part my hair in the middle, and this is the middle of my head. So this is how I measure the middle of my head, right? So my hair is normally parted in the middle anyways. But if I'm going to do middle braid, so in order for me to get that center braid, I measure from where my eyebrows start and to the side of my nose, like right here. That's how I measure this braid. So going like this. It's easier when you press down really good. That way you get it right the first time. And then you just go ahead and clean up. Okay, so I'm about to just apply some shea butter to my hair. Okay, so you finally go ahead and put whatever products you like to put in your hair when you're styling it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do a flat twist. So it's easier for me to hold the hair like so. To do the flat twist, that's how I do it. And then before I twist it down, I just go ahead and brush the hair out first and then twist it down.
For the kid. Bricks fell down on me, rain fell down on me, dreams I had for years all came down on me, trust gave in on me, lies came in on me, friends I had for years all traded in on me, storms raged in on me, hell came down on me, nothing left to lose, life caved in on me, else came in on me, love gave in on me, but in my mind, I'm alive, alive.
So to do the flat twist, I go ahead and I take two sections, and it's very simple. You're just doing right over left, right over left, right over left.
All crashed down on me, time gave in on me, everything hard on me, fam, I thought was was cool. All walked out on me. Luck ran out on me. Rocks rained down on me. Pain all in my way. Lights went out on me. Change caved in on me. Nothing is saving me. But in my mind, I'm in my mind, I'm in my mind, I'm in my mind. I'm alive, 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 alive. Like a champion, no. I know, I know, I know. I am champion, give. I give, I give, I give. Like a champion, I survive, survive, survive. I am champion, time giving on me, everything hard on me. Fam, I thought was cool, all worked out on me. Time giving on me, everything hard on me. Fam, I thought was cool, all worked out on me. Luck ran out on me, rocks rained down on me. Pain all in my way, everything hard on me. Time giving on me, everything hard on me. Fam, I thought was cool, everything hard on me. For the kid.
So this is how the flat twist is looking. I'm wondering if I should, okay, so I'm just going to repeat the same process on this side. So, see you in a few minutes. And then with the back, I was thinking I should probably twist all the back, but ain't nobody trying to spend all that time and energy to do all of that. So I think I'm just going to put the back up and put it in like a top knot bun type of thing. So yeah. Okay, so this is the final thing because I'm too lazy to braid the back. So twisting the back is just, it would be too much for me today. So this will do. Okay, so I hope you guys got to see how I did everything. I hope y'all saw how I did the flat twist. This is how it's looking. It's really cute. This is how the bun is looking. The bun is really nice. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. This style took me a little longer than I anticipated. complicated it would take. You could go ahead and lay your edges or whatever, but y'all know I ain't about to do all of them. So this is the final look. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.